This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn about structure of the basic program. So we will write it down. It's very necessary to know the structure of a basic program. The first point is that every basic program should follow the following rules, and the rules are, we will discuss it one by one, which is very important to know before proceeding programming. First step is every program statement must begin with a line number. So your line number is mandatory in creating and writing program in basic, because without a line number the statements cannot be executed. We have discussed earlier in previous videos that GW Basic basically operates in two modes. One is called the direct mode and the other one is called the indirect mode. And in the indirect mode, the line number is always mandatory, because if we don't give any line number before the statement, the compiler can never understand it and the program statements can never be executed and we cannot get the output of the program. The second most important thing is, it is good practice to end every basic program with an end statement. So viewers, this end statement is a reserved word which is used to declare the last line of the program. So it's not mandatory, but it is a good practice, since it is a good practice to end every basic program with an end statement, so that one can easily understand that this statement is the last line of the program, so that no confusion can be there by using the end statement. However, it is not mandatory. So it's not mandatory to write down the end statement. The third most important thing which we are gonna learn today is repetition of line numbers within a program is not allowed. So it's very important to know that the repetition of line numbers within the program is not, it means that each and every single line number must be unique. If we give duplicate line numbers, then the compiler will get confused and the statements will not be executed according to our requirement. So it is very important to take care of these things, that the repetition or duplication of the line numbers within a program in GW Basic is not allowed at all. And the fourth important thing which we are going to learn today is two or more statements can be written on a line, but they must be separated by a column. So we can write two or more different lines in a single line. Two or more statements can be written on a single line, but they must be separated by a colon. The colon is used to differentiate between different statements, so we can write multiple statements in one line, but there should be a separator which is used as a colon. So colon is very important. And the fifth important thing we are going to learn today is, in BASIC, variables can be used without declaration. So if we viewers, if we talk about all other languages like C, C++, Java, and many other languages, the declaration of the variable is very, very important, and it's mandatory to first declare any variable. The type declaration should be there before we are going to use any variable. But in BASIC, variables can be used without declaration, so it's not necessary, it's not mandatory that the type or the variable declaration should be there. We can use variable without declaration. And the sixth important thing is, in a BASIC program, the physical appearance of the program statements does not matter. For example, in a program, line number 90 can appear before line number 60. However, the program statements will always execute according to the ascending order of specified line numbers. So viewers, we have just talked about this in point number 6, that in the BASIC program, the physical appearance of the program statement does not matter. Like, we can type a greater line number before a lower line number, like we can put line number 90 before line number 60, but the program statements always execute according to the ascending order of the specified. Like if we type 90, line number 90, and then we type line number 60 anywhere in the program, but the compiler will execute the line number 60 first, so it will always execute the statements according to the ascending order of the specified line numbers. So this is the structure of the BASIC programs, viewers, we have discussed today. So that's all, and thanks for watching.